Welcome to the look back at the Pathfinders Easter Highlander tour that ran from the 15th to the 18th of April 2022. Wasting no time, let's get right into the action. So let's do Paisley Gilmour Street on the 15th, where 37422 and 425 would be unloading the passengers, where they would be transported by coach to their hotel that they'd be staying at over the next 3 nights in Erskine. But in the meantime, 422 and 425 would change their head code to 5Z32, the 2055 to Motherwell TMD. Then the day after, the tour would run up a very misty West Highland line. This is at Lochan Na Bi near Craigndoran, where 37422 would lead again, running 1Z33, the 0917 Dumbarton Central to Oban. Then this is now on the Sunday at West Ferry in Dundee, where yet again 37422 would lead now under 1Z35, the 1135 Dumbarton Central to Aberdeen. Then on the final day of the tour, it's off to Argyll and Bute for the ECS moves to Dumbarton. So this is now at Cardross, where 5Z19, the 0830 Motherwell TMD to Dumbarton Central for your Craigndoran West Highland Line junction, with 37425 leading 422 to the loop. Then for the final video of the tour, this is now at Ardmore East Level Crossing. After running round at Craigndoran, 37422 would then lead the tour to Dumbarton at 0930, then onwards to Eastleigh.